What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a gorgeous 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide with me today. Great looking paint. Amber whiskey, one of my favorite colors from Harley. Just like a nice burnt pearl orange. I'll go ahead and point out the only cosmetic thing I found on the entire bike, and it's just the smallest little paint chip right there on the fairing. That was it. Bike's got under 1,500 miles. It runs perfectly. It's a 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam, 6-speed transmission. I believe these are the OEM slip-on pipes. They've probably been debaffled because they definitely don't sound stock. One-touch saddlebag latches. Got some upgraded Harley grips. The bike's got cruise control. I don't think it has security on it. No, bike doesn't have security. Of course, the Road Glide is a fixed fairing bike. It's got the signature twin headlight setup. This thing's got fairly new tires, front and rear. I think those are LED lights as well. Got an upgraded wind vest windscreen. It's got a light tint to it. A little bit larger than stock. It's pretty effective. Bike is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly, and then we gave it a professional detail. And they do the whole 9 yards back there. Buff, wax, chrome polish, everything it needs. Good tread on the rear. It's a Dunlop tire. You can just see how the paint shines. Yeah, besides that one little chip on the fairing, this thing is flawless. 1,411 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also check out the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.